Today I'm the creative director and co-producer of a fashion show for Wall & Jones. Last night I probably got less than an hour of sleep. The fashion show is about sustainability, age inclusivity, and personality in fashion. We want to show that everyone can have style no matter your age, and you can be ethical while you're at it.
So I am leading the creative direction for the hair today. T-shirt. Thank you. Yeah, it's been fun. But today we're super lucky because we've been sponsored by Wella. So shout out Wella. Thank you very much. So we've been
Professional Sebastian.
Yes, love. So we've been using, they're kind of their whole product range. So lots of like structure products, lots of mousse. Like I said, every model's getting something kind of different. So as you can see, we kind of have every product in their playbook being used right now. Yeah.
We're very lucky. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for believing in us.
My role is to support with hairstyling. We're all from somewhere, and for our brand, we've been around 50 years. So even in its birth as a baby, it has its heritage, and that's carried through. So inclusivity in age can be from a child right the way through to a more mature person. Whatever the hair, whatever the character, we just want to shape their world.
So I am very excitingly the head makeup artist for today.
For whose show?
For the Wall & Jones fashion show.
Directed by?
Directed by Carolina. Carolina Kai. It's going really well. I think with the looks involved and everything, they've been workable for everyone. So there's not been any issues or anything. It's actually been quite fun. I think working with so many creatives, this is the first time I've done something so big. I'm working with this many hairstylists, stylists, producers, photographers, everything. It's been really interesting to see how everyone works in such a high-pressure environment.
Amazing. What's your role in today's fashion show?
Oh, today I'm wearing lots of hats. I've done stage set, I'm going to be modeling, and later on I'll be removal van man.
I'm sorry. That's what you get when you're friends with me. What does being part of the new Elder project mean to you?
I think this project is amazing. The New Elders, what a wonderful concept.
Thank you.
Thought of by you. I think it's fun. I think it's the start of something new and fun. So yeah, I'm very honored to be part of it.
How do you express your personality for fashion?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, it's
I don't know.
it's not like a conscious thing always. It's not like sort of I wake up in the morning and I have to express myself through fashion. It's sort of a slow move as you get older, freer, more independent, more self-assured, more confident.
So what is your role today in a fashion show?
I'm the stylist. I'm actually a florist, but today I'm the stylist.
Why?
What? Jan reeled me in. Jan is the key to everything.
See, I'm not the only villain in this story.
I'm all for self-expression. Older people that are just themselves. And the whole idea behind the projects where we sort of recycle a lot of things and reuse things, I think that's such a good one.
Wall & Jones, everyone.
Well, I hope that people take away that they can express themselves by accessorizing an outfit and just add nice little bit of detail, and I think that can really make or break an outfit.
I bow to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was very cheesy.
We bow to each other.
We bow. It's my bow for the show. What is your role today?
My role today, darling, is your beautiful model for this amazing show.
Why did you choose to be part of this project?
Because I love the designs, I love the crowd, I love the idea of the creative director, and I was like, guys, this is a spot for me. Just look at me. Did I not suit into this?